We've taken a look at several enclosures by manufacturer Qwiizlab in the past, and they've performed impressively well. Although if you're after the fastest out there right now, then Qwiizlab present this, a USB4 full 40Gbps fanless SSD enclosure. With the falling prices and increased use of NVMe SSDs these days, it can be rather cost effective creating your own external drive using an enclosure, although the main issue with these is that they like to run hot, so keeping the drive cool to maintain those high speeds is a necessary task. And that's where the Qwiizlab ES40UR comes into play. Supplied alongside a short USB4 cable, some tools, and some literature, the drive itself comes complete within a handy soft carry pouch, which is a nice little addition. With a solid aluminum construction, the enclosure is covered with these vertical fins. This makes it resemble a large heatsink of the sort you might find cooling components inside a desktop PC. And it's this design that helps to maximize the dissipation of heat from the SSD within, keeping it running cool and reducing the chances of thermal throttling. Saying that, this is a little larger than some other enclosures out there, although that's necessary if you want to keep the drive cool and running at top speed, which should always be the case when using SSDs enclosures like this in the first instance. I guess it can still fit in a pants or coat pocket if you really wanted, but belongs more in a carry bag or on a desk. Otherwise, on one end we have some Qwiizlab branding, while on the other is a USB-C port that supports USB 4 at 40Gbps and is labelled as such. There's no pass-through port for daisy chaining, although that's normal considering this is a portable SSD enclosure in the first instance, which also means there's no external power input either, so the host device will supply all the power the drive needs, making it a true portable unit. Finally, next to this is a LED window that indicates the drive's operating status. So all in all, it's a nice solid design, and better still, the SSD is completely passively cooled, meaning no fan, so no moving parts and no noise. The drive will run completely silent. As this is an enclosure, you'll need to supply your own drive then, with anything up to 8TB in capacity being supported here. It's not a tool-free enclosure either, I'm afraid. There are 4 screws around the unit that need to be removed in order to install the drive. Although saying that, this is the type of device where you'll install an SSD and leave it installed long term. So with the screws removed, the 2 metal plates come apart. The most important part of this board is the chipset though. An ASM2464PD chipset to be precise, which is a new generation of USB 4 or Thunderbolt 2 PCIe NVMe accessory controller built by AS Media. It's this controller that unlocks full 40Gbps speeds. Nevertheless, installing the M.2 NVMe SSD from here is relatively easy, with support for all the most popular SSD sizes ranging from 2230 right through to the more standard 2280. Once in place, log into position by reinstalling the provided retaining screw, slap on the provided thermal pad, as well as a second smaller pad over the chipset too, after which the 2 halves can be placed together and secured using the 4 existing screws, which will seal the 2 halves. While the thermal pads make tight contact between the drive or the chipset and the metal enclosure, all pretty standard and pretty simple. Of course, you'll want to connect it to a computer running a USB 4 or Thunderbolt port to unlock the fastest speeds, where we begin by reformatting the drive into our chosen format. Anyhow, when it comes to performance, using the standard Blackmagic disk speed test software, we see seriously impressive speeds here, allowing the drive to ace Blackmagic's Will It Work rating system that determines whether a drive is fast enough to handle video in various combinations of formats, resolutions, and frame rates. This is certainly up there among the highest performers when it comes to single drive enclosures. No issues here at all. And with a couple of file and folder transfers back and forward to the device, I was pretty much blown away at the speed. For day-to-day general usage, it's just like working with your internal SSD, and thanks to that oversized heatsink design, the drive continues to run pretty cool too, meaning no thermal throttling, and hence no drive slowdowns even after prolonged use. In summary then, where you may pay a premium for other drives with such performance, you don't here. It's actually very budget friendly, assuming you have your own SSD of course, and with compatibility for drives up to 8TB in capacity, whether you're a casual or a professional user. If you're after long-term reliability as well as high performance in a compact, cool, completely silent design, the Qwiizlab ES40UR SSD enclosure is a solid option that takes maximum advantage of the bandwidth offered by both USB 4 and Thunderbolt equipped systems.